So today, guys, we are going to be showing all the firework locations, including the trading plaza. And I know lots of people are doing that. That's one there, one over here, and one over here. And also, we are going to be, there's one up there, and it's one somewhere else. And also, there's one, I think, over this way. I'm not sure. Yeah, it is this way. I got 30 fireworks. Well, no, 29. The last one is really hard, so excuse me on that, okay? And I will be wearing the toilet next time you see me. Well, I'm on my other account. I gave all my units. So yeah, there's the firework. We've already done. There's one there, and also there is one over here. Here. And I'm not gonna go all through the fireworks in the lobby, but also we are going to do something else and all that stuff. We're gonna go. Oh, I can't believe it. Why? And then you're wondering how to get here. Look, see, there's a firework there. Wondering how to get here? Go onto here. And then I think no, don't go on there. Go on then here. Oh, dang it. Kill the tree. Anyway, I'm not gonna be mad to that. You can figure out yourself. And also, we've got 5 minutes until, thingy. And we're gonna go through the trading plaza as well. So, don't mind that. And we're gonna, show all the firework locations in the next match. I know all the ways for it. So, the next thing is going to be here. And then we are going to, and I've got since Titan TV Man, I'm really close to getting a second one. And here, see one there, I've already cleaned, and also I'm trying to get the other godly, not this godly. I have the whip. So there should be one, yeah, there's one on here, and I think one right here, and then one, where I'm going to show you now, and then we are going to the lobby area. There's one there, and one here. So there's lots of stuff to go through, and this is the way everyone's running. There should be one in here, and so you can figure out how. Let me just go to this place, and there it is. And we are going to do the fountain and all that stuff. So there's the fountain. No, actually, no, I don't think there's a fountain. Yeah, there's a fountain one. There's a bench one. What bench is it? For what? There's no new godlies in this new update. There's only a new mythic. This is large firework camera. And cool down. Yeah, very good. It's flipping worse than camera. No, not camera. That guy's poor. Yeah. Now there should be another one. I don't remember where, but we can definitely get it. So the other video, I'm gonna go with the Mace Cameraman. The Mace Cameraman, which is in the shop, and then they remove our only worst nightmare. You know what it is? Jetpack Cameraman. That sucks. But I hope oh my god, that guy's got spider. Unitarian President Sinister Titan. Training Titan President and ask for Sinister Titan TV man. Yeah, don't worry guys, I'm gonna go lobby and then we're gonna figure out how, and we should be done in a while now, and I should have the thingy. I just need to wait for my friend to come on, and he should be flipping on 30 minutes ago. So I hope you like that, guys, and I wish you a very happy New Year's. And also I'm glad it's 2024. And comment your Roblox username for free Robux and subscribe. And like the video. And share. And then comment your username in chat and the YouTube chat. And then you get free Robux. I'm not joking, subscribe for cookies. And see you guys.